Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with atbbq.com, and you know what today is? It's Thirsty Thursday. So in honor of Cinco de Mayo, we're making a Paloma. A Paloma is a grapefruit soda and tequila based cocktail. And of course we gotta get the grill involved. So first thing we're gonna go do is grill off some citrus. We're gonna utilize the griddle on the Yoder Smokers YS 640S pellet grill today. It's running at 450 degrees. Now the goal here is just to get some caramelization on the cut surfaces of the citrus. The grapefruit we're gonna add to the grapefruit soda. The lime we're also gonna add to the cocktail. That's why we have these halved. And then these guys are going to be for garnish. Taking all of that grilled citrus now and juicing it so that we can use it in these cocktails. And now we've added an extra depth of flavor through the caramelization of grilling our grapefruit and our limes. Strain this off for any pulp or seeds. Now for the lime juice. Straining that off too. All right, now to build the drinks. We're gonna start with Squirt. This is our grapefruit soda that we're using today, although you could use Cuaritos or even Fresca if you want to. Again, don't make fun of me. I'm a chef, not a mixologist, so I use weird things like deli containers instead of like a proper jigger or something like that. So 1 cup of your grapefruit soda. We're gonna add a 1/2 cup of our grilled grapefruit juice. Now 1/4 cup of our grilled lime juice. And then a 1/2 cup of our Una Vida tequila. I'm gonna give this a swirl and we'll serve it over ice. So typically you'd serve this in a highball glass, but I'm trashy, so we're using what we got. A little ice in there. Pour your Paloma over the top. Serve it with a garnish of grilled lime. Salud. It's refreshing. Has just the right amount of smokiness to it from the grill. Not too much. Ooh. It's bright. You can taste the tequila. You can taste the citrus. You guys go away. I gotta finish this drink. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out atbbq.com for all the products featured in today's video. If you enjoyed the recipe, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments, if there's anything you'd like to see me cook, let me know in the comment section down below, and let's be good to one another. For more recipes, tips, and techniques, head over to atbbq.com/thesauce. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.